Hi guys and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add Google AdSense to Wix website. To start this tutorial, open your internet browser and go to manage.wix.com and make sure you already have logged into your account as well. Once you are on the website, tap on Edit Site on the upper right. Now this will lead you to another tab. Now wait for the other tab to finish loading. This might take some time, but don't worry, I'll be here waiting with you as well. All we have to do right now is wait for the website to fully finish loading. This might take some time. Alright, we're now all good. Once we're here, we're going to click on plus add elements, or add apps in this case. It's on the left side of the screen. Tap on the 4 boxes on the left. Now this will open another window. Once you are here, you're going to close the drop down. Now you'll be redirected to Wix App Market, and in here, you're going to wait for it to finish loading once again. In here, there is a search bar. Over at the search bar, we are going to look for Google AdSense. Now just search for Google AdSense. And then in here, click on the first option that says Google AdSense. Now wait for it to finish loading. Now click on the option or the button that says Add Again. In this case, it says add again on my website because I've already added this on my website. But in your case, it should just say add. Just tap on the button. And then in here, you can place the Google AdSense bar depending on wherever you like it to be in your website. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.